Welcome back. In order to do software cracking, we need to use tools. So two of the tools we will need are x64dbg, which is a disassembler and debugger, and another one is a portable executable analyzer called Detect-It-Easy. I will show you how to download both these tools in this video lesson. So head over to this website x64dbg.com and click on the download link. And over here you can click the download latest version button and your download will start shortly. So now it is downloading. It is not a very large file, so it should be quite fast. And it is a zip file. So after you have downloaded the file, you can right click and unzip it. And this is the content of the unzipped file. So now we are going to rename this file, this folder, right click and rename to x64dbg. And then we can move this folder by cutting it and putting it in the C drive, C location. So I'm going to paste it here. So now I have this in my C drive. The next thing to do is to create a shortcut to your desktop. So open the folder, open the release folder, and look for the x64dbg exe application. Right click on this and drag it and put it onto your desktop and select create shortcuts here. In order to use it, you just double click on this shortcut and then run, and then it will ask you whether you want to launch the 32-bit version or the 64-bit version. So if you wanted to run the 32-bit version, you will click on this and click run again, and x64dbg will open up. So this is how you download and install it. So let's close this now and proceed to the next software, which is Detect-It-Easy. So head over to this website, ND-Infobiz, and look for this program called Detect-It-Easy. And then select the version for your Windows, which is this version, and click on download, DIE. And then after downloading, just open the file. It is also a zip file. And then right click and unzip it. Click extract. Now it is extracted. We are going to right click and move it to the C drive. So we cut it and then go to the C drive, right click and paste it here. Next, we are going to create a shortcut on the desktop. So open the DIE folder and look for the DIE exe application, this one, right click and drag it to your desktop, release, and select create shortcut here. And to launch this program, you just have to double click, run again, and the program will start. So this is how you download DIE and install it. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next video where I will introduce you to how these programs are being used. Thank you for watching.